Does your Tesla center console look like a mess of cables every time you and your passengers need a charge? Keeping the interior clean while staying powered up is a common challenge for Model 3 and Y owners. I have been looking at different ways to organize this space. One option that is gaining attention is the YZ Intelligent Expansion Dock, which is designed to integrate directly into the center console area. This unit is specifically tailored for Tesla Model 3 and Y models, including the newer Highland and Juniper iterations. It aims to act as a central hub, effectively acting as a charging shunt to expand your available ports. The main idea here is consolidation. Instead of running multiple cables from different hidden spots, you get a fixed docking station that organizes your charging cables in one accessible place. Useful clues to review include category/context, new energy vehicle parts and accessories, function, charger, use case, charging, current listed price, 41.12, listed discount, 50%, order/volume signal, 4264. If a detail is unclear, treat it as something to verify rather than a guaranteed feature. The goal. When looking at these, check the build quality. This model uses a design that intends to blend in with the factory finish, maintaining that signature minimalist look that we all love about the Tesla interior. Beyond just looking good, having a fast charger that is actually built for the car's power system can be more reliable than using standard cigarette lighter adapters that often get in the way. Before you pick one up, please double-check your specific vehicle production date. Tesla often makes subtle changes to the interior trim and port placements, so verify that your specific model is listed as compatible. With over 4,000 units already in the hands of other drivers, it is clearly a popular choice for those wanting a small, manageable upgrade. It is currently listed at a significant discount, which makes it a reasonable time to compare it against other options. Remember, this is just one option. If you only charge one phone, you might not need the extra ports, but for families or commuters who carry extra tech, it is definitely a practical upgrade to consider. If you want to look into the specs or see if it fits your specific setup, check the details online and compare the variants. It might be the small fix your console has been waiting for.